what annual installment will discharge a debit of rupees 1092 due in 3 years at the rate of 12% simple interest? Means certain amount of money you have taken from one person, you need to clear that taken amount with including interest. The total amount, the total amount, uh, the total amount by the end of the 3 years you need to clear is 1092. But you thought that you cannot clear whole 1092 at the end of the 3 years. That's why you are moving to annual installments method. So annual installment method means here in 3 years means you can pay 3 annual installments. When you say annual installments, each annual installment is same. That's the meaning. So that means first annual installment, second annual installment, third annual installment, you are paying same, right? So let us suppose the first annual installment, second annual installment, third annual installment is X. So from at the end of the 1 year, you are going to pay the first annual interest. Actually, 1092 rupees you need to pay at the end of the 3 years, right? But some amount of value, which is X, you paid 2 years earlier. So you paid 2 years earlier means the receiver will get some interest on the receiver will get interest on this X value for the 2 years. Why? Because you paid 2 years earlier. So what is the interest he can get? He will get the interest at the rate of what? 12%. So X into 12, rate of interest is 12 for how many years? 2 years. So with the first installment, this is the amount he will get at the end of the 3 years. And next what you will do, you will pay the second installment. That means you paid the second installment. This value also you paid 1 year earlier. Why? Because you need to clear the amount in 3 years only. But the second annual installment you paid means you paid 1 year earlier. So that means the receiver will get some interest on second installment also. For how many years? 1 year. Why? Because you paid 1 year earlier. So X into 1 into 12 by 100. So at the end of the third year, you need to clear the amount. That means you will pay the third installment and you'll clear it. That means through this total 3 installments, you are going to clear the 1092 value. So you can see here, this is for first, and this is for the second, and this is for the third. Actually, this is the first installment, but this is the extra interest he will generate because of 2 years you pay earlier, and this is the extra interest he will get due to you paid what 1 year earlier. So altogether will be equals to 1092. So x that will be 3x. 2 into 12 means 24x by 100 plus 12x by 100 is equals to 1092. So that will be equals to 100. If I maintain the common denominator, it will become 300, 24, 12, 336. So 336x is equals to 1092 into 100. So what we are getting at final? So x value is equals to 1092 into 100 divided by 336. So just do the calculations and let me know what's the answer. 325. So you are getting 325. So the annual installment you need to pay to clear a debit of 1092 due in 3 years at the rate of 12% simple annual interest is 325 rupees only. This is method 2, formula method. Direct formula is also there. So what is amount of each installment? Let us suppose amount of each installment is I, then that I value will be equals to 100p by 100n plus n into n minus 1 into r by 2. So where p stands for amount due in n years. Amount due how much? 1092. Rate of interest is how much? 12%. Amount time period due is what? 3 years. So I value is equals to 100 into P value, which is 1092, divided by 100 into N value is 3. 3 into 3 minus 1, which is 2, into rate of interest is 12 by 2. So what I'll get, this 2 will be gets cancelled. 100 into 1092 divided by 3 into 100 will be 300. 3 into 12 will be 36. 300 plus 36, that will be 336. Already we calculated 100 into 1092 by 336. That value we got what? 325. So answer is 325. So in both the methods, you will get the same answer. Is everyone is clear in both the methods? Yes.